served. Police dismissed 3 officers over killing of Kwara Poly student. In a significant development from Kwara State, 3 police officers have been dismissed following their involvement in the death of a student at Kwara State Polytechnic in Ilorin. The Kwara State Police Command announced the dismissal of Inspector Abiodun Kayode, Inspector James Samuel, and Sergeant Oni Philip. These officers were found guilty of leaving their posts, engaging in corrupt practices, and exercising unlawful authority. The incident, which occurred on September 4, 2024, involved the death of a 21-year-old Koyum Abduyakin Ishola, an ND2 student of Electric Electronics Department. The student was allegedly killed during a fuel hike protest in Ilorin. Following widespread condemnation, Inspector General of Police Kayode Egbetokun transferred the case to police headquarters in Abuja for thorough investigation. DSP Tohun Ejire Adeyemi, spokesperson for the Kwara State Police Command, stated that the officer's dismissal took effect from October 4, 2024. She added that the dismissed officers will face arraignment soon. The police spokesperson emphasized that this action reflects the IGP's commitment to upholding justice, professionalism, and accountability within the Nigerian police force. Under Egbetokun's leadership, the force aims to ensure officers maintain integrity with strict consequences for ethical breaches, especially in cases resulting in loss of life. State Police Commissioner Victor Olaiya expressed condolences to the family, friends, and colleagues of the deceased, assuring them of support during this difficult time. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.